Every day you hear on the radio or television about a fire that has happened in Pittsburgh and that the Red Cross is on the scene. I chose the American Red Cross because I wanted to learn more about what the American Red Cross does and how they help people. Here's what I've learned from my research. Clara Barton was honored during her lifetime and still is honored as one of the great women of America. She was a true pioneer. Her intense commitment to serving others led her on to forming the American Red Cross. For for the first 20 years, the American Red Cross was devoted to just disaster relief. Today, the Red Cross has expanded and still provides care in time of disasters. It supports our American military families, provides access to life-saving blood, and teaches skills to help save lives. This in turn empowers people to respond to disaster and life-threatening emergencies. The mission of the American Red Cross. The American Red Cross prevents and alleviates human suffering in the face of emergencies by mobilizing the power of volunteers and the generosity of donors. The American Red Cross, through its strong network of volunteers, donors, and partners, is always there in times of need. The American Red Cross aspires to turn compassion into action. The principles of the Global Red Cross Network: humanity, impartiality, neutrality, independence, voluntary service, unity, and universality. The American Red Cross exists to provide care to those in need. The network of donors, volunteers, and employees share a mission of preventing and relieving suffering here at home around the world through 5 service areas. The first service area is disaster relief. The Red Cross responds to approximately 70,000 disasters in the United States every year, ranging from home fires that affect single families to hurricanes that affect tens of thousands to earthquakes that impact millions. In these events, and Red Cross provides shelter, food, and health services to help families and entire communities get back on their feet. The second service area is support American military families. The Red Cross helps military members, veterans, and their families prepare for, cope with, and respond to challenge of military service. The third service area is life-saving blood. Donations of blood are what make the American Red Cross the largest single supplier of blood and blood products in the U.S. Each year, nearly 4 million people donate blood through the Red Cross, helping to provide more than 40% of the blood supply. The fourth service area is health and safety services. The Red Cross is the nation's leading provider of health and safety courses such as CPR, first aid, and lifeguard training. The last service area is international services. The American Red Cross is part of the world's largest humanitarian network with 13 million volunteers in 187 countries. The Red Cross depends on public support to help people in need. The Red Cross relies on generosity of the American public to help people in need every day. Essentially, they rely on us. So please consider donating to the Southwestern chapter of American Red Cross, whether it's money or time. The American Red Cross depends on volunteers like us to help carry out their humanitarian mission. It is through the time and care of ordinary people that they can do extraordinary things. Volunteers make up 94% of the total workforce to carry out humanitarian work. So what am I asking you to do today? Make a difference in people's lives.